Ready to unlock the full potential of Clockify and streamline your team's time tracking? Let's dive right into how to effortlessly add team members to your Clockify workspace. First, navigate to the Team tab in your Clockify dashboard, usually found on the left-hand side of your screen. Now, click on the prominently displayed Invite Users button. This will open up a window where you can add your team members. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite, separating each address with a comma or by pressing enter. This is also where you'll assign roles to each user. Click on the drop-down menu next to each email to choose a role. Clockify offers several roles, each with different permission levels. Admin has full control. User can track time and view their own data. And project manager can manage projects and team members assigned to their projects. Select the role that best fits each team member's responsibilities. You can also customize the invitation message if you want to add a personal touch. This helps new users understand why they're being invited and what to expect. Once you're happy with the email addresses, roles, and message, simply click the Send Invitations button. Clockify will then send out email invitations to your team members. You can track the status of your invitations in the Pending Invitations section. Once a user accepts the invitation, they'll appear in your active team member list. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily add your team to Clockify, assign roles, and improve your team collaboration and accurate time tracking. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more Clockify tips and tricks.